Coconut hair mask. This hair treatment is a rich, creamy coconut formula infused with antioxidants and vitamins that provide your locks with an intensive conditioning treatment that helps give way to super smooth, healthy, nourished hair. Care for curls. Ditch the suds with a cleansing conditioner made for curls. This non-foaming system replaces shampoo and conditioner, eliminating damage from shampoo while preserving hair's natural oils and nutrients. Hair care that cares. From non-sulfate shampoos and conditioners that nourish and thicken hair, to styling products and treatments that restore with plant-based ingredients, Renpure is specially formulated to deliver the best care for your hair. Renpure is made for you. We use gentle, plant-based cleansers with carefully chosen ingredients to create nourishing, safe formulas for all our hair and body care products. Renpure quality. All of our hair body care is plant-based, free from sulfates, parabens, dyes, gluten, phthalate, propylene glycol bad vibes. We care for you as much as we care for our family. Work to provide the best quality products we can. Professional collection. Coconut oil is a rich source of essential vitamins, saturated fats and minerals. We've taken this amazing ingredient and added it to our professionals line. This coconut line is specially developed for hair that needs a little extra love and moisture. Designed to help restore strength and hydration, leaving hair softer with a beautiful natural shine. Top reviews from the United States. Professional quality treatment. That's my new favorite hair product. My hair gets so soft and shiny with this coconut creme treatment, and I just need to leave it for 3 minutes while I'm in the shower. It has a light, pleasant smell.